Evening, folks. Gotta tell you, waiting for my blood pressure to go down. Had to make about an hour trip to Walmart tonight to get groceries. Y'all know how I feel about that. Tonight is a Rocky Patel A10 barber pole. It's a shop. I can spit shit on the floor. Modern humans are confusing the shit out of me. Going to hell in a handbasket. Drinking a little winter jack tonight. Cold outside. This is apple cider and jack is basically what it is. Apple cider liqueur. Not much left in there. I don't know if I told you all about this, but I found an article online. Try to slide this just a little closer. And I was hoping it was a joke when I first saw it. It was not. Looks like it's a little crooked. Better? Yeah, it looks better. I was hoping it was a joke, but apparently it was not. This article was all about how you shouldn't make dog noises at your dog. And that there doesn't really have anything to do with anything in the world, except it wasn't a joke. They were serious. And the people commenting on the article, and I've also found a video that went along with it. And on the video were serious. And not what I would consider in a good way. Now, apparently, you're not supposed to make dog noises at your dog because you don't know what you're saying because you don't speak dog. Now, apparently, the premise of this article was you shouldn't do it because you might say something offensive to the dog. Now, I tried it with my dog. She didn't seem offended. She's standing right here wagging her tail at me. This is a spawn of Ricky, by the way. What do you got on your head? What have you been doing? But I made dog noises at her. You're not supposed to bark at him. You're not supposed to growl at him. You're not supposed to make whining noises. You're not supposed to do any of that because it could be offensive. And then it went on to say, not only could it be offensive, you could be saying something racist. Racist! Now, I think I might have mentioned this article before in another video. But I kind of wanted to expand upon it because it's kind of where we're going. It's one of those. Now, we don't have any way to prove any of this. We don't have any way of testing the theory. No dogs were interviewed for the article. And my dog is either too dumb to be offended, which is a possibility, or it don't work. So, and that's in everything in life. We're not supposed to say words or anything like that because they could be offensive. It's not the person being offensive using the word, it's the word itself. I don't know how we're supposed to get past all this stuff. I really don't. People are just being dumb. And they drag the rest of us along with them because too many people worry about the labels they may pick up by just saying stuff, just doing stuff. Are we teaching our children now not to make barking and growling noises at dogs? I'm just curious. Hang on. Come here. Come up here. Come on. Come on. All right. This is Romulus. She wants to sniff me. She doesn't want to look at the camera. Isn't she pretty? Look at her. Anyhow. I don't know. Anyhow. I don't know. I've said this before. I'm losing all hope. Losing all hope! Because the folks that know better than this nonsense won't speak up. Most of them. Y'all heard me say this before too. We have spent way too many years thinking that people were going to come to their senses. Use common sense. Stop being weenies. I'm sorry, did I stop petting you? Did I stop? Did I stop? I'm sorry. I don't know what... I'd like y'all to explain it to me. Why do we even put up with this nonsense? Nonsense! Like I say, the dog's just a lead-in kind of thing. Because there's a... way too much stuff. I'm watching stuff on the news. Still. About January the 6th. A day which will live in infamy. No, it won't. Here's my opinion on that. Doesn't matter who. Somebody let him in. Y'all been to the White House, right? Can you take a look at that place and see how hard it would be to mob that place without somebody opening a door for you? It doesn't matter. The press has made up their mind about this stuff. I was looking at an opinion piece from CNN. And here's where our education system has got us. Now, we've been telling you this for years. This is exactly where education is going. We don't teach you stuff, so when we say stuff, you don't know any better. This article was all about how the founding fathers would think about things. And it was written from the perspective of course, liberalism, and how the fathers would hate modern conservatives, the founding fathers would hate modern conservatives and all this stuff. And they were throwing in half quotes from the founding fathers. And then the stickler is most people don't know their half quotes because they haven't been educated. What are you moaning about? She may have said something offensive to me because she went, ugh. And now she's groaning. She's falling asleep. She's almost ready to snore. That's what's going on. Anyhow. It's up to folks who know stuff to tell stuff to people who don't know stuff. But the problem is this. There are way too many folks out there who know that they're lying, and also know that people aren't going to check up on them. I don't know where to go with all this. I'll be honest with you. Yes, hello. Hi. That's where we're at. So, you going to sleep? I guess. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good evening. Not one of my best, that's for sure. Talk to y'all later. Bye.